Why is it important to understand best practices for communicating across cultures? Understanding best practices for cross-cultural communication is vital, because it enables individuals and organizations to bridge cultural gaps, avoid misunderstandings, and build strong relationships with people from diverse backgrounds. What are some common challenges people face when communicating across cultures, and how can they overcome them? Challenges include language barriers, differing communication styles, and varying cultural norms. To overcome them, individuals should practice active listening, ask clarifying questions, and adapt their communication approach to the cultural context. Can you share some best practices for effective cross-cultural communication in a professional setting? Certainly. Some key practices include researching the culture you're interacting with, being aware of nonverbal cues, avoiding assumptions, and demonstrating respect for cultural differences. How can organizations promote and implement best practices for cross-cultural communication among their teams? Organizations can provide cultural sensitivity training, encourage diverse teams, and create a culture of open dialogue about cultural differences. They should also lead by example in embracing and valuing diversity. Can you provide an example of a situation where effective cross-cultural communication played a pivotal role in achieving a positive outcome? Sure. In global business negotiations, understanding cultural nuances and adapting communication styles can lead to stronger partnerships and successful deals, benefiting both parties.
Hello viewers. If you enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Your likes encourage me to create more content that you'll love. I truly value your thoughts and feedback, so please take a moment to share your valuable comments in the comments section below. Your comments help me improve and shape the future videos on this channel. To stay updated with more exciting videos and to support my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, so they can join our wonderful community too. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for spending your valuable time watching this video. Your support means the world to me. Thank you, and I look forward to bringing you more fantastic content in the future.